Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and I finally got out. I finally got metal detecting underwater. Finally got to use all my stuff. This season's been something else. I've been plagued. Prepare for life story. I have been plagued with college work, even though it's summertime, and just life in general. Getting out's been kind of hard. I had planned a whole bunch to get out this season, which has been the opposite. So next time, I'm not going to say, oh yeah, I plan on getting out more, because that's not true. It's a curse. I always curse myself. So I started doing college courses a while ago. I decided summertime to do one college course, focus on one, because it's not my strong suit. And that one was statistics, which I passed. Took some effort, but I passed it. Also, I got a new job. I'm in pest control, and I had to get certified for that as well, which is more tests, which is from the same college, which is fortunate for me. But they are certification tests on different pests and applications of pesticides. Really interesting, a lot of information that I'd never think to know of, but I do now. Anyway, but between that, statistics, life, my washing machine just died, and then I found out that it was because something with my boiler system. I don't know. So that's being fixed. That took some time. Just domestic life, being an adult sucks. But that is not the plot of this story. That is not the point of the story. I got to go out to Monmouth, Maine, Monmouth Beach. Monmouth, Maine is where I grew up. It's where I went to high school. That beach, I spent a lot of summers and a lot of time on that beach. It's the beach I grew up on. That's probably been there for 20 years, over 20 years. It's small. It was a nice, fun place to hang out. Monmouth is a small town. It's grown. It's different now. The high school used to be like 250 like kids, like 65 maybe graduate. It's bigger now. It's changed. As schools and high schools and towns do, they change for the better. Monmouth has grown so much. I had a lot of fun, and I knew I would find stuff. Still got some nails. Surprisingly, some old nails too. Because no one really detects there at all, and it's just an interesting place. I want to know where they get their, because the lake is called Cocknawagon. No kidding. And I'm pretty sure they bring in sand for the beach to make the beach sandy. I want to know where they get their beach sand from, because what I found is a lot of old nails, a lot of square nails. So that's cool. Anyway, I find a whole bunch of other stuff. You'll see. Enjoy the video. Mainly Digger out. I'm at the Monmouth Beach. This is the beach I grew up on. It's changed a little bit. Like, we didn't have any of this or any of that. That's probably been there for 20 years, over 20 years. But beach is kind of closed, so summer's ended, so I'm checking it out. Still got some nails. Surprisingly some old nails too. That's the swimming area, so honey. And then this guy, I don't know